Greetings, Sir Aldrin. This is my prelim lab exam. So number one is write and assemble a program to load register R20 with value of 99 and move it to R0 to R7, 12, 30, and 31. So now let's begin. I already put the code in the AVR Studio. So this is my code LDI R20 with the value of 99. Now let's check it one by one. I move it to, let's move it to R0. R0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then let's jump into 12, then 30, then 31. Now let's see. Let's check if it is already stored. 0, 1, 2, R3, R4, R5, R6, R7, R8. Yes, until R7 and R12. Check. And then the original is R20. Then lastly, the two is R30 and R31. Okay, check. Now, activity 2. Write and assemble a program to add all the single character of your last name and save the result in R16. So my last name was Paligar and I already put my code. When you look at the ASCII table, my letter P is 50 and my letter A is 41 and my letter L is equivalent to 4C. My letter I is equivalent to 49 and letter G is 47 and A is 41 again and R is 52. Now let's see if the value are correct. Yes, letter P, R17, R0, letter P. And let me just move it to the next in order to check if I already got the correct. And yes, for R17, ASCII code 50 is P, R18 A, R19 is L, R20 is I, R21 is G, and R22 is A, and R, Paligar. Now let's check R0, 50, okay. Yeah, and when you look at this R0 to R6, it writes my last name, which is the Paligar, Paligar. And lastly, activity 3, use simulator AVR Studio to single step the program and examine status register, which is this code. And I already put that code in here. Let me just run my AVR again. Now let's check one by one, examine this code for the activity 3. R16, value, R17, then add R16 and R17. Here are the results, then R16 again, value, and R17, then add R16 and R17, then LDI R16. Okay, and decrement R16 will decrement is 3 times. LDI, this one, LSR, R16, increment R16, and we got this one. So we got a value of 10 and 2 at the end. Okay. That's all for my prelim lab exam, and thank you.